Thank you very much, madam. Thank you. Now I am requesting to Deepika Tiwari for her presentation. Kindly soon start your presentation. And I would like to announce that after this presentation, we will start our valedictory session. Our guest already connected with this online platform, and within 5 minutes, we will start that our valedictory and 21st uh, year's Foundation Day celebration of ESW Society. Deepika Tiwari, please continue.
Sir, sir, I am audible and this slide is visible. Can you see my slide?
Yes, please.
Okay. So, good morning, all of you. I am Deepika Tiwari from Government Madhav Science PG College, Ujjain. My presentation topic is microflora analysis of vermicompost derived from eco-friendly degradation of floral waste. So, but before presenting, I want to thank all the members of Environment and Social Welfare Society and especially Dr. Ashwini Kumar for providing this opportunity to present in front of you. So, let's start with introduction. The environmentally harmonious and safe management of solid wastes becomes a major issue in many cities of India. Enormous production of solid wastes coupled with poor management system results in significant environmental degradation. Floral waste generation occurs largely during functions, ceremonies. The temple waste, which is also known as nirbala, generally comprises floral waste, flowers, leaves, floral buds, which are thrown in large quantities and accumulated in unhygienic way adjacent to temples, creating an unhealthy environment due to lack of proper scientific disposal management. Also, the imbalanced use of chemical fertilizers has adversely impacted agriculture productivity and causes soil degradation. So now there is a growing realization that the adoption of ecological and sustainable farming practices can only reverse the declining trend in global productivity and environmental protection. Vermicomposting. It is a simple biotechnological process of composting involves joint action of earthworms and microorganisms widely being used for solid waste management and the end product is rich in microbial activity, plant growth regulators and also fortified with pest repellents attributes as well. Vermicompost enhances soil biodiversity. The beneficial microbes present in vermicompost are the primary consumers of vermicomposting food web. They include bacteria, fungi, and actinomycetes. The endosymbiotic microbes produce extracellular enzymes which degrade cellulose and phenolic compounds, enhance the degradation of ingested material. So microbes forms the part of food for earthworm. They are proliferated in gut and vermicompost. Earthworm helps in distribution of microbes and together with earthworm microbes mineralize, humidifies organic matter, facilitates chelation, etc. The purpose of our study is in this way. The aim of the present investigation was to do microflora analysis from vermicompost, fresh samples achieved from eco-friendly degradation of floral wastes via vermicomposting. The methodology includes collection and chopping of floral wastes, preparation of mixture and vermicompost bed, and then isolation and identification of microorganisms from the vermicompost samples. So here the floral waste was collected from the temples in Ujjain and cattle dung was collected from the local cow shed. The waste is segregated so as to remove the non-biodegradable organic and other organic wastes.
Madam,
Then the wastage is chopped for about 1.
We are running out of time. Please come to the conclusion.
Okay. So the findings is that I found the bacteria, actinomycetes and fungal colonies. The dominant was bacteria 65%, then actinomycetes and fungi. Here are the plates, the culture plates of bacteria, fungus and actinomycetes. The species identified was Bacillus. Among fungi it is Aspergillus and Mucor, and in actinomycetes they are Streptomycetes, Microbiospora and Nocardia. So the conclusion is it is vermicomposting technology used for management and recycling of Nirmala floral wastage. It is the best organic fertilizer. The beneficial microflora increase the population, increasing soil fertility. And the actinomycetes which are reported in composting, especially during the late curing stage, produce most of the antibiotics which help to reduce pathogenic organisms. So the future perspective is the microflora analysis will let us know the microbial diversity, mainly involving in decomposition process, which will be beneficial to prepare microbial consortium that can be used as a starter to achieve even faster decomposition in short period of time. Thank you.